My name is Joe Stagg, and I'm with Pipeline Development Company. Inside of all of my food products or my flame products, I now have a gas. I have steam. Too often in my career, as I travel the country, travel North America, and I teach seminars on really some basic fundamental concepts, I'm surprised at the amount of incorrect information I see. I'm coming back with cold water and I want to heat it up for my system, so I'm going to take this cold water, run it through my boiler, and bring it back. So I'm going to have a boiler pump. So when I want heat over here, I turn the boiler pump on, it now pulls water up through the boiler. But my flow might go this way sometimes, and I'll show you when that can happen. But if my flow ever travels in a reverse direction, I come back with hot water. My hot water now comes back and mixes with my cold water, and I could get this short-circuiting to occur where that boiler trips out. Everything wants to move. If I'm sitting here as an object on that merry-go-round, I want to move in the same direction that it's pushing me or that it's forcing me into. But as I rotate, the base of the merry-go-round gives that centripetal force, which is pulling me back towards the center point. And I might be able to overspeed that pump to get me to where I need. Most applications will require VFDs based on the energy codes. Are we providing VFDs? Technology continues to change. We see new products with new ideas and new concepts come out. And if we're not using these concepts, if we're not utilizing the benefits that they provide, then we're simply missing the boat. My flow rate went down. So even with a constant speed pump, I have a system where my flow rate is changing. The city gave me so much pressure to start with. I now have the water flow through that hose, and it has to overcome the entire length of that hose. We'll show you the stoichiometric equation for combustion and tell you the reality of what's occurring with this combustion. But what it boils down to is the fuels that we use in our commercial applications and our commercial heating systems all revolve around hydrocarbons. I always challenge you, think outside the box. Don't design, install, or operate your system the same way you have been the past 20, 30 years, even the past 5 or 10 years.